वेलकम टू स्टडी हब।
ये शब्द आपके एग्जाम में बार बार आते हैं, इसीलिए ध्यान से देखिए और अपनी तैयारी को नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाए।
पेनिट्रेशन, प्रसार, प्रवेश। मीनिंग, the extent to which a product or service reaches and is adopted by the population. Synonyms: spread, reach, adoption, expansion. Antonyms: exclusion, absence, limitation. Example: GST exemption on premiums will improve India's insurance penetration. Exorbitant, अत्यधिक, बेहिसाब. Meaning, unreasonably high or excessive, especially in price or cost. Synonyms: excessive, overpriced, unreasonable, inflated. Antonyms: moderate, reasonable, fair, affordable. Example: the reform protects households from exorbitant taxes on essentials. Caution, Suraksha Kavach, Sahara. Meaning, something that protects against risk, difficulty, or hardship. Synonyms: buffer, shield, safeguard, protection. Antonyms: exposure, risk, vulnerability. Example: tax exemptions provide a cushion to families balancing EMIs and healthcare costs. Prudence, savdhani, vivekshilta. Meaning, the quality of being careful and wise in decision-making. Synonyms: caution, wisdom, judgment, foresight. Antonyms: carelessness, recklessness, folly, negligence. Example: the GST Council showed prudence in avoiding a compensation cess. Hovering, mandarana, sthir rehna. Meaning, remaining at or around a particular level without much change. Synonyms: lingering, fluctuating, balancing. Antonyms: settling, stabilizing, grounded. Example: India's fertility rate was hovering around 2.0 for 2 years before falling further. Intemperate, aniyantrit, asanyami. Meaning, lacking self-control or being excessive in behavior. Synonyms: unrestrained, excessive, reckless. Antonyms: moderate, controlled, restrained. Example: his intemperate remarks during the debate caused unnecessary controversy. Discreet, viveki, satark. Meaning, careful in speech or action to avoid causing offense or revealing private information. Synonyms: cautious, tactful, prudent. Antonyms: reckless, indiscreet, careless. Example: the journalist was discreet while discussing sensitive political matters. Cataclysmic, mahavinashkari. Meaning, relating to or denoting a violent, large-scale event, especially one that causes great destruction. Synonyms: apocalyptic, disastrous, catastrophic. Antonyms: beneficial, fortunate, favorable. Example: the cataclysmic effects of the nuclear disaster affected thousands of lives. Vehement, utsahi, zordar. Meaning, showing strong feeling, forceful, passionate, or intense. Synonyms: fervent, passionate, forceful. Antonyms: indifferent, passive, calm. Example: the protesters were vehement in their opposition to the government's new policy. Malleable, lachila. Meaning, capable of being easily shaped or influenced. Synonyms: flexible, adaptable, pliable. Antonyms: stiff, rigid, inflexible. Example: his malleable personality made him an ideal candidate for the role. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.